Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have VINEOH. Do you want to see what is in this seasonal box and which wines I'll be sipping on and what goods will be inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so again, my VINEOH box just arrived and I'm always so excited to get this because I love me some wine, and you get wine and goods sold. VINEOH just put me on their affiliate program, so thank you so much, VINEOH, for sending me this box to review and to show my viewers. The last year to a little bit more, I've been buying the box myself, and now they put me on their list, so I get to show you guys the same box that I've been buying for myself, loving it, which is amazing, and I greatly do appreciate it. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what is in this seasonal box. I haven't missed a season in definitely over a year. I just really love this box because of the concept, and you get wine. Yes, give me some more. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and get in here. Their packaging is extremely unique, and their packaging is really good. So right on top is this box. That is where the goods would be. That is most of the time there's like a jewelry item, there's like a chocolate or some type of item to eat, and then some other really neat items as well based on seasons. So here's your seasonal goodie box, and then down in the bottom, this is how they package the wine. So they have them in these little like crate things, and they sit nice and tight, and they never break or anything like that. So I do appreciate the way that they do package this box. And there's that. Even when you get a double decker, because like if you use my code and you get a free bottle of wine, then they have it higher because now there's 2 layers of them, and still it's packaged so perfectly, nothing breaks. So let's go ahead and go over the wines first, and then we'll get into the goodie box. So the first one right here is called New Crush. This is California Red Wine Blend 2016. Try to get it in there. It's like a thumbprint for the heart. That's so cute. And then the second bottle is this one right here. This I've got before, and this is really good. And on their profile, you can select if you want reds, if you want whites, if you want sweets, or if you want a mixture of red and white. So I chose a mixture of red and white. I prefer white and sweet, and my man prefers red. So I get the best of both worlds when I get to choose the mixed variety. So I do like that you can actually tailor your profile based on the likings of the type of wine you would like to receive. So now inside of here, let's get in here. That's what this seasonal box looks like on the inside. Down in here is where you get the card, and they have an individual card for each individual product, and then they have one card that goes over all of the products with the pricing. On the individual cards, the pricing is not there. I learned the hard way after I did my first box. I'm like, oh, there's no pricing. Then I get to the very back one, I'm like, oh, here's all the pricing. So if you guys do get VINEOH, there is one that goes over all of the pricing, and it says that the total value is $150 or more. How they get the more is because the wines, their custom wines, are anywhere from $21 to $26 each bottle. So let's just say hypothetically both of them are $25. That's $50 right there just in the 2 bottles of wine. So when they value it, I'm sure they go off the lower end just because they don't know what the value of each one is going to be in the box. So it's $150, but you could add $5 to $10 to that based on the bottles of wines that they selected for your box. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep this one right in front of me, and then I'll go over each individual card so we can see what's inside. I'm so excited. Okay, so right on top is this right here. It says good things coming. And this is actually really, really neat because you can put this on your desk, and if you need to jot down things for the week and you rip it off. So it's not an actual calendar, which goes by every single week and every single month. This is just a do-it-yourself, and you can put the week right here. So you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday to do and notes. And then it says you're exactly where you need to be. That is really cute. So this right here is Good Things Coming Planner, and this is valued at $15. And it says Backed by popular demand, weekly planning has never been easier or cuter. We are excited to share this planner, custom created by the VINEOH team just for you. 50 weeks worth of planning will keep you organized through 2020. Oh yes. Check out other fun items on vineoh.com like t-shirts, wine glasses, wine accessories, and more. So that's awesome. This was designed just for us, you guys. And again, I like that you can just set it down, and if you want to drop for that week, you can. If you don't, you don't have to. If you don't use it all during the year, guess what? You can use it next year because it's not specific for 2020. You put the week of right here. I like that. So there's item number 1. So then item number 2 is right here, and this says Velour Body Melts Sugar Kisses. There's that. And this is $38. Whoa. All right, so let's see what this is. Okay, there we go. It says, wait a minute, please read before opening. Use caution when opening. The product could be soft or liquefied. Velvety body butter will soften in warmer temperatures and solidify in cooler temperatures. Please be assured that the change in consistency does not affect the quality. Store in a cool place to restore consistency or pop in the refrigerator for a quick solidification. So this is temperature sensitivity. That's really cool that they put that right on top. And then I guess here's a little pamphlet that goes over the different ones that they have to offer. How do you want to melt? So they have hair and scalp mask, control flyaways. There's makeup remover, body moisturizer, shave oil, strengthening mask prevention, hand and foot mask, moisture cuticles before and after sun and bathing. Wow, this one has a lot of stuff that they have to offer. Ooh, and that's a big container, you guys. So be careful when you open it at first. So let's see, it's cold here, so I'm sure it's not runny. Okay, so it does have a seal right on top. What even is this? Sugar Kisses, protect and perfect. So paraben free, sulfate free. This is directions: smooth into skin anytime it feels dry or needs a quick glow. Use as a hair and scalp mask, makeup remover, body moisturizer, shave oil, hand and foot mask. Oh my gosh, so all of that stuff, that's not just different products that they have to offer. That's what this guy does. Holy moly, what? A hand and foot mask and before and after sunbathing. Wow. Okay, so no, I do not have a liquid consistency. It is solid. So, oh, that smells amazing. Oh my goodness. What is in here? Coconut oil, sweet almond oil, some kind of perfume. Holy moly, that smells amazing. Okay, so it is just, it is straight like a balm. And it smells so good. Huh. I can't believe how many things this one product here does. Wow, okay. And I guess there's different scents. So they have sugar lavender, which, you know, I'm glad I didn't get that one. There's a sugar coconut, which again, I'm okay with not getting that one. And sugar kisses. Oh my gosh, this smells amazing. So what it says on here is, discover all the ways to melt with this velour body melt in the best-selling Sugar Kiss fragrance. This multitasking product will restore moisture and quench dryness from head to toe, literally. Use this intensely nourishing body melt as a hair, hand, or foot mask, or simply as your everyday moisturizer. The rich formula sinks into your skin for an effortlessly touchless finish. Oh yes, 8 ounce package. What? You guys, this smells amazing, and I cannot believe what all it does. So I can definitely see a $38 value on that bad boy. Oh my gosh, it smells and it feels so nice. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now this must be our food item. Candy Club, You Make Me Melt. Irresistible rounds of sea salt caramels covered in rich dark chocolate. Oh my goodness. Yes, please give me some more. So this is valued at $7. And let's get this opened. I've got to try this. Here we go. A dark chocolate coated caramel with, and you can taste the sea salt in there as well. That's really good. Those are really good. Like I said, they always put in some type of a treat. Those are really good. Okay, you guys, so now we have these. Oh, are these for like the stems of your wine glasses? Foxy Original Wine Charms, $23. So these right here, these love-inspired charms are perfect for clipping to each of your guest wine glasses when you're sharing a bottle or two of VINEOH. Custom designs just for VINEOH. These wine charms are the perfect way to tell which glass is yours for a girl's night in. Oh, cute. So it says XOXO kiss. There's actually a lip print. One says love. One says, hold on, this one's tangled. There we go. One has a heart, and then one says cheers. So there's all of them without the plastic on it. And it's a set of 6 charms. That's really cute. I do like that, because then you could just stick it right on the stem of your glass and everybody knows whose is whose. So again, this is valued at $23. And then the last item is right in here, and it looks like it is a pair of glasses, and it says wine for 2. And this is $25. Wine for 2 glasses. Mwah. These wine glasses have a design exclusive to VINEOH. The red ombre color at the base is the perfect pop of color for your wine glass collection, and the red metallic design are sassy and trendy for the season. XOXO VINEOH, girl. Ooh, these are pretty. So it does have the little red ombre effect. So the bottom has the red and it goes into like a lighter, almost like a pink shade, and then it veers to the clear on the top. There is a little lip print on that one. And this one has an XOXO. It's kind of hard to see with my lights, but there you go. XOXO. And then you have the lip print right there. So there's a 2 set of stemless wine glasses. Those are really cute, and I like red. So red is actually my accent color in my kitchen. So I'm really excited to add these to my collection, my wine glass collection. And again, these are valued at $25. So that is everything that came in this goodie box for this seasonal VINEOH. We got the 2 set of wine glasses that are super cute. We have this big old thing of chocolate covered sea salted caramels with dark chocolate, which tastes so good. You have this little set of charms for wine glasses. You have this amazing like 10-in-1 product over here. I'm not sure if it's quite 10, but a whole lot of different product purposes inside this one container. And then you have your 2 bottles of wine, and you have this little planner thing right here. That's an amazing box, you guys. So comment down below, let me know what you thought of this month. This box is the Oh La La box. And again, my box is valued at least $150 or more, depending on which bottles of wine that they included in my box. Now, if you would like to know a little bit more about VINEOH, you can use my code SheCrafty. SheCrafty will get you $10 off your first seasonal box and get you 1 free bottle of wine. So again, $21 to $26 free for an extra bottle of wine and $10 off your first seasonal box. So again, you always get 2 bottles of wine on a normal season, unless you use my code and you get 3. And then you get all these amazing little goodies, and it's always valued really high, and they don't overinflate their pricing. Like at first I thought $38 for this, but then hearing and reading everything that's in here, I definitely could see that price being $38. So it's $59.99 per season with a value of over $120 or more each box. And again, mine's $150 or more. You get free shipping, and you can choose the white, the red, the mix of the 2, or the sweets in your profile. And you pay quarterly or annually. And you can sit back and relax, and you get it delivered 4 times a year. So you get the 2 bottles of wines. You get 5 to 6 full-size products of fun, rejuvenating, and delicious surprises. Incredible value of over $120 in every single box when it's quarterly. You can also gift it, and you can check out their site to see anything that you would like to buy individually that they have to offer as well. I will link them down below. And again, SheCrafty will get you that free bottle of wine and $10 off your first box. So that is everything that we have. I think this is very perfect for right now, especially with Valentine's Day coming up, because you have these cool little glasses that remind me more of like Valentine's Day. You have an amazing smelling scented thing that you can use for a whole lot of things. And yeah, so I'm so excited to go open up my bottle of wine and start sipping on one of those goodies down there. And that is everything that I have for you guys. So comment down below and let me know what you thought of this seasonal box. Your positive interaction with me means the world, and I greatly do appreciate that. And I appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. I don't know why I do this from time to time, but you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.